Hello, Warren County. I'm Commissioner T. Davis, Chairman of the Warren County Board of Commissioners. My Board of Commissioners colleagues and I are embarking on a new tradition of providing an annual update to Warren County residents on our accomplishments and plans. This will be the first of annual State of the County update. I must take some time to acknowledge our health department, emergency management, first responders, public safety, and our entire Warren County team during our near 2-year impact of the coronavirus pandemic. The county commissioners and I declared a state of emergency in March of 2020, and our emergency management team and our health department helped lead our Warren County response. Due to the outstanding leadership of our Warren County Health Department, the pandemic has not been nearly as devastating as it could have been. I think we all have learned the value of the public health department and applaud their efforts to administer vaccines, and now there will be standing up free testing site here in the county. As of today, Warren County has had over 2,542 recovered cases, 36 deaths, 2,623 total cases. I'd like to offer a brief moment of silence for our impacted residents and families.
As you know, Warren County provides social services to our residents, and it includes our Department of Social Services and our Warren County Public Health Department. These are critical services in a rural community like ours, where access to social services, medical attention and wellness, along with behavioral health services, can be limited and difficult to access. As the chairman has mentioned, our Warren County Health Department has been the key to Warren County's ability to make it through the pandemic. Our health department proactively working with our assisted living facilities in the county prevented COVID-19 clusters in these facilities in the county. They have been also working with our Warren County Public School to make sure our students return to in-person learning safely. Finally, they have held numerous vaccination clinics, as well as realize the importance of having public health department, as well as all of us are eligible to receive COVID-19 vaccinations from our public health department. As of December 14, 2021, the Warren County Health Department has given 8,056 doses of COVID-19 vaccines, including more than 700 boosters and 55 pediatric doses, children ages 5 to 11. The Warren County vaccination status as of December 21st, 2021 is 55% of the population has held at least one dose partially vaccinated, 11,067 doses. 53% of the population is fully vaccinated, first and second doses. The number 10,397. This is a tremendous accomplishment in 2022. The health department will hold access to free clinic testing here in Warren County. Additionally, due to the pandemic, our Department of Social Services has continued to assist residents. They have continued to have clinics remotely and help new residents impacted by the pandemic, with the temporary new benefits offered by the state and federal government. Our Department of Social Services team continues to serve our residents in need. Also, 2021, the Board of Commissioners made a significant decision on behalf of Warren County residents. In August of 2021, we unanimously voted to move Warren County to East Point as our behavioral health services provider here in Warren County. The North Carolina Department of Health and Human Services approved our request, and the change was effective December 1st, 2021. This means access to behavioral health services for mental health crisis, substance use disorder, and developmental disabilities will be provided by East Point. Please be on the lookout for advertising and notices of their services for our residents. They will endeavor to use providers where possible and will soon be setting up an office that will be located in our Department of Social Services. Finally, I'd like to make sure everyone knows that 2022 is the 40th year anniversary of the PCB protests that took place in Warren County. I witnessed the community coming together on behalf of future of the county. A citizens group is already working on commemorating this milestone, and I hope you will plan to participate in September of 2022 as we revisit why Warren County is known as the birthplace of the environmental justice movement in Warren County.
In Warren County, even despite a pandemic, we have seen some record-setting numbers and events happen. Let's look first at travel and tourism, where we have seen continued growth in our county. Domestic and international visitors to and within Warren County spent $49.6 million in 2020. This is an increase of 32% from 2019. For the second year in a row, the county's growth rate for travel-related expenditures was the highest in North Carolina compared to all other counties from the year 2019 and 2020. We know that the beauty of our county and strong communities are why Warren County has seen an increase in visitors spending every year since 2016. An unexpected bright spot during the pandemic is our sales tax revenue, and in this year and last year, we have seen steady growth in sales tax revenue for the last decade. What this means is both residents and visitors are increasingly able to accommodate their retail needs right here in Warren County, and all our local businesses are seeing a growth of activity. The pandemic has seen us witness the closing of local businesses. However, we have seen new businesses not just open, but construct brand new facilities. We have also seen long-time businesses acquired by new and eager owners who see the value of operating in Warren County. Here are just a few highlights. Jenny Cakes of Lake Gaston is a business by a young entrepreneur who is building a new bakery and cafe space from the ground up at Lake Gaston. Lake Gaston Coffee, our county's very own coffee micro roaster, has built a brand new cafe and restaurant space that just opened here at the end of 2021. Seven Springs Farm and Vineyard opened at the start of the pandemic and has been thriving ever since, bringing in record numbers of visitors for their new agritourism operation. Magnolia Manor has welcomed new businesses and owners to our community. Mill Hill Brewery and Tavern, Liquorum Distillery, and Trinity Source has been both open since the pandemic as well. However, one of our biggest announcements this last year was Glen Raven's decision to expand their operation in our county. Glen Raven has been an anchor in our community for decades, and because of their beliefs in what Warren County has to offer, their company, they are expanding their North plant, which will increase 205 new jobs on top of their 156 jobs. These new jobs are anticipated to be approximately $6.5 million in annual salaries, with an average salary of $31,710. The capital investment for this expansion is estimated to be around $82 million. Warren County helped to secure $1.5 million in state funding for expansion, as well as offering local incentives as well. This expansion speaks to what citizens have been asking to happen in Warren County: good paying jobs and a good opportunity for people to advance. We look forward to a continued partnership with Glen Raven. Also, on the economic front, we are looking forward to South Carolina's coming expansion into Warren County. BridgeTech will be the first business located in Triangle North Warren. Our 1,036-acre mega site in the Soul City community. Warren County Commissioners just this year approved the incentive package to help attract this tech organization to open their doors here. Warren County can be a place for sustainability, growth, and vitality, and evidenced by the business growth that we are seeing just in this last year. And if you have not heard about our Triangle North Warren County mega site, now is your chance. In partnership with the Carter Council of Governments and the Research Triangle Regional Partnership, we recently made a new marketing video to promote this 1,036-acre site. Check out what we have to offer. Warren County recreation programs have been a source of community pride for many years. We have been working to grow and diversify our recreation programs in the past year, including hosting yoga sessions, art, and theater programs. I am standing in Magnolia Ernest Recreation Park, Commissioner Hunt's district, home to the county's public swimming pool, which was renovated in 2019, but unable to open in 2020 during the beginning months of the pandemic. The pool opened for the summer of 2021 and had a very successful turnout. We are in the midst of some major park improvements at Magnolia Ernest. As I stand here today, you can see a completely rebuilt basketball court here at the park. In partnership with the NC Parks and Recreation Trust Fund, Warren County has funded improvements as well as new recreation amenities at the park in Soul City. These improvements include repaving the tennis and basketball courts, putting in new walking trail, building a new picnic shelter, and making improvements to the restrooms and bathhouse. The county's recreation programs and park facilities are part of our community and economic development efforts, creating a quality of life opportunities for residents of all ages.
As many of you know, I serve on the Vance Graham Community College Board representing Warren County. With our Vance Graham Community College, Warrenton Satellite Campus, we've had a long-standing partnership on education and workforce development. Warren Campus houses the following curriculum and continuing education programs. College transfer. Warren early college high school students and traditional students have opportunity to earn 2-year transfer degrees. Cosmetology. Serves both high school and traditional college students who are seeking cosmetology credentials. Carpentry. Serves both high school and traditional college students who are seeking carpentry credentials. Pharmacy Technology Certificate. Certified Nursing Assistant 1, phlebotomy. Medication aid, college and career readiness, adult high school GED, and last but not least, the Heavy Equipment Operator Program. Right now, I'm standing in Building 4 where the Heavy Equipment Operator Program includes simulation takes place. And just this last year, based on feedback from Warren County Board of Commissioners, Vance Graham Community College, Warren Satellite Campus became the new home to Warren County NC Works Career Center. The Career Center is located in Building 1, room 1106. The hours of operation are 8:30 to 4:30, Monday and Tuesday. The Career Center assists job seekers for free. The Career Center helps job seekers find work, improve their skills, and get connected to other resources to help prepare for interviews and make a good impression on employers. The following services are offered to job seekers at no charge: career assessment and guidance, access to training education program, learn about job fair and workshops, information on the job market, assistance with searching for jobs, resume and cover letter preparation, practice interviewing for jobs, free computer and internet access, help registering with using NC Works Online. In 2022, we hope to further develop our partnership with Vance Graham Community College as we continue talks regarding the location of athletic programs and the possibility of having the commercial driver's license, CDL training, and other transportation agriculture related programs here in Warren County.
Here in Warren County, our job as commissioner is to help our residents live a full and healthy life. We are proud of the work that the county is doing to achieve this mission. I am standing in our Warren County Historic National Guard Armory in 2021. We located our Veteran Service Office from the courthouse to this building. This allowed the county to better serve our veterans even though the challenge of COVID-19. Our veteran service staff also grew the number of claims by veterans to the Department of Veterans Affairs, as well as increased the turnaround time for competition or the rating of claims. In Warren County, we also have a very active senior center with dedicated staff. Our Warren County Senior Center has continued to provide nutrition service without interruption throughout the pandemic, when other meal providers closed for various reasons, like a staff, food, and delivery driver. The Senior Center also grew our nutrition program this last year. Our board of commission is proud are the work that we do with our veteran and our senior. We know that we are providing top-notch care for them even during difficult times.
As we bring this update to a close, I'd like to remind you of some of the priorities that the county has identified this year. In early 2021, the commissioners chose 4 areas to focus on in this coming years, providing visionary and inclusive leadership to guide the social, cultural, and economic future of Warren County, to competitively position Warren County to attract and retain residents and business by offering top-notch programs and services throughout our community, to leverage the best of our assets to attract, retain, and expand the businesses, industry, and residential growth to revitalize and grow our 21st century economy, and to transform Warren County agribusiness, modernize and carve out our niche in agritourism, global culture markets, and support small family farms. This year, we expect our staff to begin efforts to plan for significant capital or building projects. Our emergency services staff is beginning to plan for 2 additional satellite EMS stations. We are scheduled to start work with these Recreation Commission on a multi-generational and multi-purpose community center, along with assets of our county facilities and space needs. We also have some major projects coming our way. Throughout the community, a new subdivision with a potential for 82 new homes has begun construction in the Pleasant Hills subdivision of Soul City. A Tennessee nonprofit and Kenya Christian Fellowship in America is planning to build a retreat and culture center right outside the towns of New Orleans. And the county has begun work with the regional partners and NCDOT Rail Division to look at possible development growth around a potential train stop in New Orleans for the future S-Line rail system. While we have taken this time to highlight some of our annual accomplishments, we do not want to neglect or mention that we still have challenges here in Warren County. The commissioners and I will start in 2022 with a plan to identify and make sure that we are addressing our challenges. As a rural county, considered Tier 1 in North Carolina, we face different needs than other communities. The census indicated that we are losing residents. Our unemployment rates and families living below poverty level are higher than acceptable for a strong community. We have significant facility needs without schools. These are the issues that we'll be discussing and need your support as we navigate multiple priorities. Despite our challenges, we have continued to make progress in 2021, and we expect to continue our momentum in 2022. The state of Warren County is strong. We expect to achieve even more progress in 2022. I look forward to providing you another update in 2022. Happy holidays. Please stay safe as we move into a new year.